Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to do a little unboxing. This is the SEAFLO fan. I'm sure you guys have seen these fans before. Exo Control. I know Exo Controlto runs them, and so I'm sure you guys have seen him from his video. But my Orion amplifier, long story short, the way that the transistor setup is in my Orion amplifier, set up so the amp puts out good power, but it won't do it for very long before you're going to start having a lot of thermal problems. So I decided to grab these SEAFLO fans because it seems people really like them. They seem to do pretty good, so I grabbed a pretty good sized one. This is the 4-inch one, and so I thought I'd do a little unboxing here for you. Alright, so just peeled that tape off. See if I can get it open. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, these are big fans. There's definitely damn. Okay. Wow, this is a big fan actually. Check that out compared to my hand. I got pretty good sized hands too. I mean, that's an 8-inch sub. Here's my hand on the 8-inch sub. And here's my hand on the SEAFLO fan. Pretty big fan. Wasn't really expecting it to be this size, but if it works, it works. So, actually, set the camera down as usual. I don't know how well you guys can see that there, camera shot wise. I'm going to try and cool. So, six blade fan. Not bad. These are definitely pretty beefy. Pretty well built filling actually. That's one big DC motor. That is huge. So I'm gonna plug this thing in and get it running for you guys. We'll grab a battery here. Alright, so as you guys can see, got a little car battery here. We're resting at 12.57. And so yeah, we should have enough juice to do this. I still need to charge these batteries because they're at about half charged right now, so not the chargest things in the world, but it works. Alright, so I got the SEAFLO fan. There's actually an arrow I noticed right here. There's an arrow right there. That'll kind of tell you where the what side it's gonna come out, but got the negative right there, so here we go. Here we go. Have to see how strong this thing is. Oh shit.